Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to play with this tiny set of oil pastels. It is a part of Apsara Mini Art kit, which also had a set of wax crayons and a set of pencil colors. If you want to see what we did with the last two sets, you can check out my last two videos and let's get started. To be honest, I have never used oil pastels. I watched a lot of YouTube video tutorials and I found some amazing YouTubers. I had never thought that such elaborate paintings can be made with something that is considered as kids level art supply. First I'm going to test these art supplies to see how they look on paper, and then I'm going to try to find a way to create something beautiful with them. I applied the color on the paper and then blended it with my fingers. You can do it with napkin and Q-tips, but I don't have them at home, and due to pandemic I don't want to go to the market for them, so I'm going to use my fingers only. Let's see if we can blend them and create some new shades. They don't seem to be blending that nicely, but I like the individual colors. I think the green and yellow work together better. Let's see if we can create paint color. I can't call it pink, but I like this shade. Let's see if we can create light blue. It's okay, it's nice. Now let's paint something. Let's paint a rose. I wanted to paint a rose, but it's looking more like cup and saucer. Don't you think so? I like this color combination. I think white works better with all the colors as compared to any other pairs under this set. Let's paint one more. Let's try the same thing with red and yellow combination. I don't like it. I think I like this white and red one better. Let's get to our main painting. I'm going to paint a flower again because I think those are the easiest things to paint. I'm going to use my red shade to slightly shade the edges of the petals and then blend it with white color. This is my favorite set under this art kit, and to be honest, these colors are a little bit messy. My hands are all dirty and the other side of the pages are also a little bit stained. But I love how vibrant and saturated they are. I think the problem is my inexperience, and I think with a lot of practice I can make some really good paintings using these. And those YouTubers that I talked about has also inspired me a lot. I'm craving to buy that big 5 dozen shades set. It's a shame those are not available on Amazon, but someday I'm gonna find them and I'm gonna bring them home. I got a little cocky and tried to paint a portrait with this, and it ended up in a disaster, so let's pretend it never happened. In conclusion, this art kit is a really good gift for kids, and it is a nice possession for adults too. I mean, honestly, my building was going to become a containment zone, so I ran to my sister's place, and this art kit was the only art supply that I packed, and I have been creating art with these supplies since last month, and I quite like them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.